These movements are designed to activate your chest, shoulders, back, legs, and core using nothing but your own body weight. They also increase your strength, boost your metabolism, and help you build lean muscle even in a small room. 6 exercises. 1. Push UPS. Great for chest, shoulders, and triceps. Slow and controlled reps build faster muscle. 2. Squats. Perfect for legs and glutes, improving balance and lower body strength. 3. Plank hold. Targets your entire core and builds stability. 4. Dips on a chair. Triceps focused and excellent for upper arm muscle gain. 5. Reverse snow angels. A powerful back and shoulder builder without weights. 6. Slow mountain climbers. Excellent for core, lower abs, and conditioning. Do these exercises 4 to 5 days a week, focus on form, and increase reps every few days. Stay consistent, and you'll feel stronger, tighter, and more confident in just 21 days.